What is up there geeks, and welcome back to another brand new video of CS Geeks. In today's video we are gonna unbox these very special headphones, so why not, let's begin. As you can see, this was ordered from Amazon. So this is the main box for the headset, and this is the branding over here. On the other side of the box you can see that the extended warranty is supported for free. You just have to go there on the website and register over there. As you can see, these are the devices which can be compatible for the headset, and this one is the model number, which is E3000. Then here it is to showcase that it is a gaming headset, I guess. So on the right side of the box there are some features are written over here. So this is stereo sound, high definition microphone, ear protection, and soft earmuff comfortable to wear. So here they have mentioned the package contents. The first one is headset, then there is a 1:2 splitter, then third one is a user manual, and the last one is a carry pouch. Then there are the specifications of the headset, and if you really want to check it out, then you can pause the video and check it out. Now it is time to open it up. So we are gonna get this beautiful carry pouch inside that box, and also headsets are obviously inside this pouch. And as you can see, this pouch has really premium look to it. Just look at it, guys. Now let's check the box first. Inside of this box we will gonna get this packet which includes lot of stuff. This is the splitter we are gonna get inside of this packet, and it is basically 1:2 3.5mm jack splitter cable. I think it has medium build quality, and yes, you can use this for connecting these headsets to your PC and laptops. Now let's check what else we get inside. I think this is some kind of a coupon, and it is about a free gift. Again, I will add photos of the both sides if you guys wanna check it out. Okay, let's come to this carry pouch now, and as you can see, it is super amazing, and it seems that it has a very good durability also. Who knows? Now let's see the headset. So these are the headset we were waiting for the whole time, and it looks quite amazing. So as you guys can see that this headset does not included that sliding head adjusting system, whatever it is. So they included this band so that you can adjust. Then also you will gonna get RGB LEDs. They have said that these are the illuminating LED which are over both sides of the headset. The headset is very flexible, guys, as you can see. So this is the mic of these headsets, and as you can see, this is very flexible, but it is non-detachable. That is, you cannot actually detach it from the headset. Then after that there is a cable of this headset, and as you can see, the cable is fully nylon threaded, so it actually improves the toughness of the wire. Then there comes this part actually. So this can be used to control your audio. So first of all, you can use this side to mute and unmute your mic, so it is cool. And on the other side you can actually increase and decrease the volume. So yeah, okay, so let's come to the wire. Yes, the cable of this headset is very long, which is around 2 meter, so it's quite good. And they also given this band to keep it together. Then after that, there are two wires at the end. One is for audio and another is for LED, as you can see. Also, if you haven't noticed, this protection they have provided is really impressive. They have did amazing job for this. And now let me show you guys RGB LED and the mic test of this headset. So stay tuned. So guys, only connecting jack won't turn on the LED lights. You must have to connect this USB cable too, and let me show you that. Now let's check what will happen after connecting this USB cable. Hello guys, and yeah, if you can hear me out clearly, then I would like to tell you that this is the actual audio which is recorded using headsets mic. And so let me know in the comment section that what you guys think the quality of this audio is. I think it is sufficient for gaming and also for video and multimedia stuff. So it's on you totally. You can tell me in the comment section. If you don't have any budget microphone to record, then you can just go for this one also, and that's what I think.